Plastic pollution is one of today's greatest environmental challenges. About 40% of the global production of plastic is used for packaging. As a major user of packaging, the packaging industry plays an important role in addressing plastic pollution. Producer responsibility concerning packaging has seen a growth. However, most companies are doing very little to reduce plastic waste, and results show that the transition to sustainable packaging is very slow and inconsistent. The question of what these companies can do to reduce plastic waste is often asked. So, why has the transition to sustainable packaging been so slow and inconsistent? I say the answer lies in the value action gap. The value action gap explains how positive attitudes, values, or beliefs concerning pro environmental behavior may not be consistent with their actions. In this case, most companies do have awareness on the negative impacts of plastic packaging, but they are not taking any meaningful actions. Let's discuss some of the value action gap barriers preventing this. The first value action gap barrier is cost. Cost is considered to be the major barrier to applying sustainable packaging since it requires specialized equipment, logistics investments, and higher administration costs than those for conventional packaging. The second value action gap barrier is packaging requirements. Packaging isn't just about sustainability, it also needs to be functional, appealing, and protective. Achieving this balance is difficult because of packaging's multidimensional nature. And the third barrier is regulatory pressure. Although the government does incentivize companies to have environmentally friendly packaging, companies usually adjust their packaging to comply with regulations and avoid costs of non compliance. By knowing some of the value action gap barriers, what are some of the future interventions that might be effective? Integrating sustainable innovation into a company's system, which means that a sustainable approach to innovation should guide all business choices. This could reduce the environmental impact and improve sustainability performance. Implementing a circular economy. Circular economy is guided by the principles of designing out of waste and pollution and to keep products and materials in use for the longest possible time. In a circular system, resources are remanufactured, refurbished, and only as a last resort recycled. Strict environmental regulations can have a positive impact on the company's green innovation and promote the development of environmentally friendly competition. Doing so can drive meaningful change in the packaging sector and make sustainable packaging more common and accessible.